There's something truly special about reclaimed materials, and cable spools are a perfect example. They carry a sense of history, marks, dents, and textures that tell stories of their industrial past. When you bring one of these pieces into your home, you're not just adding furniture, you're adding character. Using reclaimed cable spools for making furniture and decor has become one of the most creative and eco-conscious trends in modern interior design. These large wooden reels, once used to hold industrial cables, offer a wealth of potential for transformation. Their strong, circular structure and solid build make them a versatile base for countless design projects, while their rustic texture adds natural warmth and authenticity to any space. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kuki Decor. If you love transforming old, forgotten materials into stylish pieces for your home, then you're going to adore what we are creating today. In this video, we are diving into the wonderful world of reclaimed cable spool furniture and decor ideas, where rustic charm meets modern design. These cable spools, once used for holding industrial wires, are now finding a second life in homes, cafes, and outdoor spaces around the world. From cozy coffee tables to elegant garden benches, and from creative shelving units to statement wall art, you'll see how these wooden reels can be turned into timeless treasures that not only look stunning, but also promote sustainability. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get inspired together. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon because Kuki Decor posts daily videos full of creative woodworking, upcycling, and nature-inspired decor ideas to spark your imagination. What makes cable spools so perfect for DIY projects is their solid structure and round shape. The top and bottom circles are thick wooden slabs that can be easily sanded, painted, or stained to match your home's aesthetic. Whether you prefer a rustic farmhouse vibe with warm, natural wood tones, or a sleek modern look with bold colors and metallic accents, a reclaimed spool can adapt beautifully. They also blend effortlessly into almost any space, from minimalist apartments to cozy cabins or outdoor patios. The organic curves of the spool add softness and flow to your space, breaking up the hard lines of typical furniture. One of the biggest benefits of cable spool furniture is versatility. There are countless creative ways to repurpose them. Perhaps the most popular transformation is the rustic coffee table. Simply sand the surface, add a clear wood finish, and attach sturdy legs or wheels. The circular top creates a warm gathering spot for your living room. Add a glass top for a modern touch, or leave it natural to highlight the rustic charm of the grain. For outdoor lovers, a reclaimed spool makes the perfect patio table or garden seat. You can add cushions, a weatherproof coat of varnish, or even use the central hole to hold an umbrella stand, perfect for sunny afternoons outdoors. Another clever project is turning a spool into a creative shelving unit. Just cut it in half and mount it against a wall for a unique semicircular shelf. It works beautifully as a small bookshelf, a wall-mounted bar shelf, or even a display rack for plants and art. Garden enthusiasts can also transform spools into vertical planters or mini herb gardens, while others might repurpose them as artistic wall clocks or pendant light bases. The possibilities are endless, and the results blend creativity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our small channel grow. And remember, we post daily videos here on Kuki Decor, bringing you fresh inspiration for reclaimed wood, DIY furniture, and nature-inspired design. Also, comment below and tell us, which cable spool project would you love to try first? We'd love to feature your ideas in an upcoming video. Now, Let's dive deeper into how these creations can completely transform your home's atmosphere. When you introduce reclaimed spool furniture into your space, you instantly add warmth, authenticity, and a handcrafted touch. Unlike factory-made items, every spool-based piece carries its own imperfections, and that's what makes it special. A spool coffee table can become the centerpiece of your living room, sparking conversations and admiration. A spool bookshelf can bring texture and depth to a plain wall. Even a simple side table made from a small spool can give a cozy, organic feel to any corner. In rustic interiors, these pieces highlight natural textures and earthy tones. In modern spaces, pairing a reclaimed spool with metal, glass, or minimal decor creates a bold contrast that feels both stylish and sustainable. The result is a home that feels balanced, grounded in nature, but refined by design. Plus, the circular shape of spools adds flow to your space, creating harmony and movement. This soft geometry is often missing in boxy, mass-produced furniture, making spool designs stand out as artistic yet practical additions. Beyond functionality, Cable Spool Furniture promotes creativity and self-expression. The process of designing and repurposing gives makers the freedom to experiment with different finishes, paint techniques, and add-on features such as glass tops, caster wheels, or metal accents. This hands-on approach not only enhances craftsmanship, but also strengthens the emotional connection between people and their living spaces. In essence, reclaimed Cable Spool Furniture combines sustainability, strength, beauty, and artistry in one concept. It's a testament to how thoughtful upcycling can transform industrial waste into timeless home decor that celebrates both nature and design innovation. Let's not forget the environmental impact. Every time you repurpose a spool, you're taking part in a movement towards sustainable living. Instead of buying new furniture made from freshly cut timber, you're giving old wood a new life. This is the essence of upcycling, reducing waste, conserving natural resources, and embracing creativity. It's not just about saving money, it's about making choices that matter. Each reclaimed spool project is a reminder that beauty can be found in unexpected places, even in discarded industrial materials. And it's incredibly rewarding. The process of transforming a spool with your own hands gives you a sense of accomplishment and pride. Whether you're sanding, painting, or assembling, you're not just building furniture, you're crafting something meaningful. At Kuki Decor, we always say, the best decor isn't bought, it's created. If this video is sparking ideas, hit that subscribe button right now. We share daily inspiration from reclaimed wood furniture to rustic wall art, and everything in between. Join the Kuki Decor family, and let's keep this creative journey going together. Once your spool furniture is built, styling makes all the difference. Try pairing rustic spool tables with soft textiles, woven rugs, linen throws, or neutral-toned cushions. Add plants to bring freshness and contrast. If you prefer a modern look, paint the spool in matte black, white, or deep navy, and pair it with metallic decor or minimalist lighting. The mix of reclaimed texture with clean lines creates a stunning, gallery-worthy aesthetic. You can even experiment with multifunctional designs, for example, a spool table with built-in storage space, or a spool top that doubles as a lazy Susan dining setup. The more you play with the design, the more unique it becomes. Remember, there are no rules, just possibilities. That's the beauty of working with reclaimed materials. And that's it for today's video. Creative Cable Spool Furniture Rustic Modern Decor Ideas using reclaimed wood. We hope you're inspired to look at old materials differently and see the beauty hidden within them. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with other DIY and decor lovers. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor, where we post new videos every single day filled with upcycling ideas, woodworking inspiration, and natural decor designs for your home. Until next time, keep creating, keep reimagining, and keep decorating with heart. Thanks for watching Kuki Decor, where nature meets design.